Have you ever made homemade chocolate pudding? I was craving it the other day, so I decided to make some. I don't know what happened to the beginning of this video, but basically I heated up the milk, sugar, and cocoa on the stove, and now I'm whisking some egg yolks, and then you slowly pour the boiling milk mixture into the eggs. You have to do it slowly so you don't cook the eggs. And then, so this is speeded up. It's actually a little slower than this. And then I'm putting the whole mixture back into the pan, and then you bring it to a boil again, and then it's thick like this. And as it cools, it'll get even thicker. So I grew up, we would make the pudding in a box, and there were two kinds, instant pudding and then the kind you cooked. The kind you cooked was infinitely better. I even liked the way it tasted warm. But the cold kind, the instant kind, just tasted, even as a kid, I knew it was kind of chemically made. So when you make it from scratch, it's honestly not much harder than making it from the box kind that you cook. And you can control the sugar. This is recipe I just Googled and found one that had eggs. This one has 3 egg yolks because I like the kind that have eggs. It seems like it's a little bit of protein. Then I just whipped the cream and added just a sprinkling of sugar. So yeah, it was really delicious.